welcome back. On today's episode, we are going to be making some cheesy crab fries. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this recipe is, of course, some crab meat. You'll need some heavy cream, some salt, pepper, flour, parsley, butter, lemon, and I have some homegrown peppers here. And I have about 3 blocks of white cheddar cheese. And you're gonna need your handy dandy Old Bay. Now, there are some people in my life who think that because I'm a Southern woman, I have absolutely no idea what Old Bay is or how to use it. Let's show them wrong. All right, you'll need your olive oil, and then you'll also need some green onion. And of course, you'll need your potatoes. Now, my husband did already get a little bit excited and cut them all up. So right now we have them soaking in a cold salt water bath. So let's get started prepping our ingredients. Once you have all your ingredients prepped, go ahead and take your fries and we're going to season them up. All right, once you got all your fries mixed up with their seasonings, it's time to get them in the hot oil. Now, while your fries are in the hot oil, go ahead and prep your pan for the crab meat. Go ahead and throw that in there. With our onion and pepper. And go ahead and get that on the stove, and this is only going to cook for 2 to 5 minutes tops. So while we have that working, let's work on our lovely cheese. We're going to start by melting the butter. Okay, once your butter is melted, you're going to take your flour and you're going to slowly whisk that in. Now, before you add your cheese, you're going to want to add in your cream. So I'm going to start with a little bit of cream and slowly add more as needed. Then we're going to get this back on the heat and continue to whisk. Okay, now that we have a nice creamy mixture here, we're going to go ahead and add in our cheese. And I'm going to add in some parsley for color. And a little bit of more Old Bay. And now we're going to add in our cheese and get that nice and melted. Okay, once your cheese is fully melted, you're going to end up with a beautiful creamy cheese like this. All right, and then you end up with this. And if you want, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. Go make your own.